Good morning students, welcome back to our science online class. Today we are going to learn very important part of our lesson, and that is synthesis of plant foods other than simple carbohydrate, that is called glucose. Now see students, simple food means that is called the glucose. So plants synthesize simple carbohydrate food by the process of photosynthesis. Plants synthesize simple carbohydrate foods, that is called glucose, by the process of photosynthesis. So this glucose is what, or the simple carbohydrate is what? So simple carbohydrate, that is called glucose, is made up of three elements. These are the three elements. Okay students, see here, simple carbohydrate or glucose is made up of three elements, that is carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. And this simple carbohydrate food converted into complex food, converted into the complex carbohydrate, that is called starch, oils, fats, proteins, vitamins, and stored into the different parts of plant. So today we are going to learn one by one that all complex carbohydrates, how they are obtained. Okay. So first one is plants make starch as food. Some of the simple carbohydrates, that is glucose, converted into complex carbohydrates. Converted into the complex carbohydrates. Or you can keep in mind, some of the simple carbohydrates, glucose, made by the photosynthesis process, converted into complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates called starch. Okay, what we can call to that starch. इसका मतलब ऐसा है, जो भी फूड, जो सिंपल फूड और जो सिंपल कार्बोहाइड्रेट फूड फोटोसिंथेसिस से बनने वाला है, उसका कन्वर्जन किसमें होता है? कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट में होता है, उसे हम स्टार्च कहते हैं. ओके, एंड दिस स्टार्च stored in different parts of plant, like stem, leaves, okay, roots of the plants. Do you know rice? Do you know wheat? So rice and wheat contains more starch. Some roots of plants like potato, carrot contains more starch. Okay, so these are the examples of starch. Understood? This is very simple. Okay students. Now next one, plants make oils as a food. Now some plants convert simple carbohydrates, glucose, into complex carbohydrates, that is called fats or oils, and they stored in their seeds. For example, soybean seed, sunflower seed, groundnut seeds. If you crush these seeds, yes or no? So what some plants store the fats. Okay, that is called complex carbohydrate stored in the form of stored in seeds like soybean, groundnut, sunflower, okay, etc. Now next one is plants make proteins as food. Some plants make proteins as a food. So for manufacturing of proteins or for making proteins, plants require nitrogen. Okay. So already carbon, hydrogen, oxygen is there. Simple food means what? Simple carbohydrate means what? Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen elements. But addition of these elements, plants require nitrogen, and that nitrogen plants get in the form of nitrates through the soil. Okay, because roots absorb water along with the minerals, and which mineral? That is nitrogen. Okay, because nitrates dissolved in water, and that dissolved nitrates used for the making of amino acid. Amino acid is called proteins. Okay. So how these plants gets the nitrogen for making the oil or fats as a food? So there are some bacteria present in the soil. That soil absorb the atmospheric nitrogen and convert into the compound nitrogen, that is called the nitrates. And these nitrates, okay, these nitrates dissolve in water and absorbed by the roots. So along with water, these nitrates goes to the leaves, okay, where the photosynthesis takes place. So this way the plants use nitrogen, okay, for making the proteins, and these proteins stored in different seeds like soybean, again moong dal, tur dal, urad dal, yes or no? So if you eat this kind of dal, so you will get the proteins. Okay. Now next one, plants make vitamins as a food. See, we cannot make the vitamins, but plants can make the vitamins. If you eat the different kinds of vegetables and fruits, so our body can get the vitamins. Okay, so this is about the synthesis of plants foods other than the simple carbohydrates food. Now, what is the importance of photosynthesis? See students, last 2-3 videos we are just going to discuss about photosynthesis, autotrophs, heterotrophs, how the plants are making their own food, yes or no? Now, what is the importance of photosynthesis? Really, this process is very important for us. So answer is yes. Photosynthesis is very important for us. Without photosynthesis, there would be no existence of, or there would be impossible, or there would be life impossible on this earth. Why? Because see students, food, photosynthesis process is very important for plants to make their own food, and we all animals are depend on the plants. If plants are unable to make their own food, they cannot produce food for us also, and indirectly without food we will die. So this is the one thing. Second thing, photosynthesis is the process. By this process, the oxygen gas is released into the air, and if there would be no oxygen gas, all living beings are unable to respire, breathe, and they eventually die. Yes or no? So get the food and oxygen. Okay students, so I hope you understood today's part of the lesson. Remaining part of our lesson we will continue in our next